Understand, your biomemory, which makes decisions in your life, need to be informed. You have a resource like Mahadeva. You have a vast quantity of love like Mahadeva. You have a vast quantity of powers like Mahadeva. It is like you have 2 ton gold in your treasury, but you took some 200 gram gold for your day-to-day activity. Suddenly you forgot you have what you have in treasury. You think only the 200 gram which you are having in your table is your total wealth, and you start starving, reducing your food, your expenses, saying only 200 gram, I have to live at next 50, 60 years. Your bio-memory need to be informed. You have a vast resource of intelligence like Mahadeva. You have a vast resource of knowledge like Mahadeva. You have a vast resource of ability to make new bodies like Mahadeva. You have a vast resource of bliss like Mahadeva. You have a vast resource of time like Mahadeva. Understand? Rightly informed biomemory is enlightenment. Rightly informed biomemory is enlightenment. The source of your decision listen. The source of your decisions vastly informed biomemory means you are enlightened. No need for any tapas, no need for any practice, no need for any struggle in your life other than giving the right information to your biomemory, which is the source of decision making point. Injecting Shivoham into it. Making your biomemory understand you have the vast resource and make decisions from those resources. A man who makes decisions from the well-informed biomemory lives like Mahadeva. He lives like Mahadeva. And he is Mahadeva. Informing your biomemory. Informing your biomemory the vast resources available to you. Whether it is love or life or time or wealth, whatever you want, informing you experientially to the decision-making source of you. Biomemory is what I call initiation into Shivoham.